Hi everybody, I got some more Happy Mail in the mail today. Thought I'd share. I actually saw this off of YouTube. My idol, one of my many crafty idols, Vicky P, posted this, and it's a really cool subscription. I'm going to try it for the first 3 months and see how it goes, but I'm kind of excited to see how this works. So it's called Pink and Main, and it comes in this cute little box, and this is what you get. So there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. So this was the first month I tried because I can't talk now, a sea theme. So and it comes with this little thank you card, and I think there's instructions. Looks like there's instructions here on. Okay, yeah, no, this tells you everything that comes in the kit. So, and the color palette, and of course this is just a cute little card that I can probably try to recreate. So one of the things that I thought was really cool about it is that it comes with this really cute little resealable pouch, this little zipper pouch with the stuff in it. So she was telling me about that on the video, on her video. Her video, of course, is much better than mine. But hey, you know, I think I have a few fans, so maybe they'll like mine too at some point too. So she's been doing this a lot longer than I have. So, okay, so let's see, what did we get here? So in this first container, this cute little bag has, I think it's got the it's got the embellishments and the stamps in it. So, I got a cute little button that says a happy hello. I think that was anything right there. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Yep. So we got a happy hello. This one says hello, hi, hey. And there's a little matching die set to go with it. And, crafty congratulations. Oh, so this is my, yeah, it's called the Crafty Courtyard monthly subscription box. So this is a little welcome gift, right? So I'm not sure if I'm going to get this every time, but I also get a discount when I shop with them too. So that's kind of fun. So that was that little extra. So this is, okay, so that's extra. That was my little extra. Now this is what comes in the kit. So the kit comes with the paper. So I have some cardstock. There's a few different colors of cardstock. So we've got an orange and it looks a little yellow on the screen, but it's actually kind of a green. There's a brown, very pretty baby blue. Ooh, one that's got some texture, polka dotty texture. I'm not sure if you can tell. Probably can't tell in the video, but it does have a bit of texture. This is a little bit darker blue. Oh, and then a couple of white ones. So I think that's probably for the backing and stuff. Like I said, I really love this little zippered bag. I plan on using that for different things. So what is all with the kit? So, alright, so I've got a Shell-A-Brate You, because it's a sea themed. There's some Wow embossing powder, and this is called, what color is this? That is my silly cat that you can hear in the background. And yeah, so this is it. I'm not sure what it's called. Oh, Metaline First Frost. So it's a light blue color. There's some twine, some little sparkly buttons, and some sea-themed wood pieces. There's like a shell and a fish and that kind of stuff. What else have we got? Oh, I've got a stamp set called, what is this one called? I'm not sure if there's a name on this one, but it's a sea theme. Like I sure do think you're amazing. Shell-A-Brate each day. I love you like the sea loves the shore. And then there's like a lighthouse and stuff, which I thought was really cool. Oh, there's also some little ephemera, some little seashells and little what's it called? Just little sequins and stuff. Oh, there's some sparkly brads. That's my dogs you can hear in the background probably too. Oh, and there's also some envelopes for if you're going to make cards, because this was kind of like a card kit, but I might do some. Well, and then there's an embossing stencil. It looks sort of like the rays of the sun. And then there's a little tiny, what size is this? 6x6 paper pad, and it's got some really cool paper. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be fun to play with all this, and I'm probably going to go back to, I'll probably put a link to Vicky's as well, so you can see the cards that she made, and I might try to make some myself. So that's my new kit. I'm looking forward to playing with it, So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.